Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the M18 smart box. You can see right here we have the CPU and some of the information about this smart box. We have the 4K feature in it. So let's go ahead and open up. We have here the smart box itself. You can see that is protected the logo with a little of plastic. Also we have some information, quad-core 4K as you saw in the beginning. Underneath all that we have here the user manual, as well as the power brick to power on our smart box. And also we have the HDMI cable wrapped up for protection. You saw this plastic in the tips. And we have the controller with not so many buttons, so it's not confusing at all. So as you can see in the bottom we have 4 rubber pieces, so they won't let to slip the box. We have a USB port, the port to power on, the HDMI, the internet, also as well as one more port for USB in the side. In the user manual, as you can see, we have some information how to connect all the cables as well as the buttons of the controller, what they do and how they work. And so everything that is needed is included in the user manual, so it's not a problem to use this smart box. Now it's time to see how this will function. As you can see, it's already starting up. Now that we have ready to use, as you can see we have online videos, browser settings, app, YouTube, Play Store, as well as the shortcuts app here in the bottom. You can see the time in the corner in the right side, as well as the Wi-Fi logo in the left side. With this plus you can add more apps to shortcut for this shortcut, so you don't have to go and search all your apps to find your favorite apps that you use always. You can see we add some of the apps that we use. Here in the online video you can add more apps that are included for online videos. As you can see we have YouTube, Netflix and other apps as well. In the browser we are using the Smartbox browser, not the Google Chrome as we usually use in the other smart boxes. But you can see that from factory we have the browser itself, not the Google Chrome, and that's okay. In case you want to use Google Chrome, it's not a problem. You can use it and download it without any problem. As you can see here we have the network or Wi-Fi, how you want to call it. You can connect your Wi-Fi there. We have sound. Next we have apps. As you can see we have all the apps that are necessary to see. You can control all the apps that you have right here. Next we have display. As you can see right here we have 2 options for display. This one is for the hertz of display. You can customize it, change it in case you want so, or you need to customize it. We have the screen merging. You can zoom in or zoom out in case it doesn't match with your TV or screen, whatever screen you're using. We have here the internal storage, also the factory reset as well. Next we have here about. We can read and see all about the M18 smart box. We have the model, version, Android version, all the kind of stuff. Date and time, as you can see right here, you can customize it as well. You can change the date in case you need so. Next we have language. You can see how many language we have right here. You can change without any problem by this smart box in whatever country you are. You can change your language without any problem. We have accessibilities, caption. You can turn on caption as well as customizing it. You can change color, font, etc. Next we have the settings. Here we can see in more details of the settings of this box. We have apps, memory. You can see right here how much memory is the smart box using. We have security, accounts, Google, language, reset, and all kinds of stuff. You can see right here we have location in case you need to turn on location for a special app. Let's get back. You can see now we have here the security and restrictions. We have here unknown apps and so on. We are back at the settings. You can see right here we have about TV box. As I said, we can read here the Android version. We have all kinds of information about the smart box. Here we have reset TV box. We can erase all data or save it. It's your choice, and this will fix some of the problems that you have maybe with your smart box if you have so. So this is all about the settings. We have now here the ADA64 app. As you can see, in this app you have all your information about system, CPU. We have network and display, battery, Android device, thermal, sensors, apps, codes, all kinds of stuff. You have your information right here. Also, these information are in details, not like a basic information, but in details. Every information you will find right here. So use this app in all of our devices. It's a pretty good app, very useful sometimes. So that's why we all show it to you. You can use it without any problem. It's very easy app to use. We have the root check app. It does the same thing as the ADA, but here you don't have so much specifics, so it's more simple. You can see the root, apps, info, and so on. You have your check here in the root check, as well as the super SU, and down we have some information, as you can see right here. Now we are back at the apps. We have here so many apps that we can try and show to you. This one, as you can see, you can take online updates or local updates. It's connecting to the server right now. We have now here the APK Pure. This is an app that we use always for downloading stuff, same as the Aptoid and Play Store. In some countries, some of the apps the Play Store doesn't work, so you have this one as well as the Aptoid. They work perfectly. They have all the apps, so they are so good at their job. As you can see, it finds the apps real quick. You have different options as well, which is a good thing always. Next we have the app market, as you can see, and then the Aptoid, as I said, and the Play Store, which is from Google. Just log in with your account and you are ready to use. We have the file manager, as you saw, the gallery. We have here Happy Case. This is an app that comes from this smart box. You have your scan code here, and the Netflix as well. it works perfectly in this smart box. You just open up your account and you are ready to use. As you can see, everything works perfectly, fast and easy. We have here an app for channels, so in case you want to watch news, movies, shows, sports, music, gaming, animals, kids channels, etc, etc, you will find in this app. We also use some other apps as well, but this is one of the best apps that we found for this kind of category. As you can see, we have all kinds of options for channels. We have now here the YouTube. As always, we test our videos with 4K videos. You can sign in or skip this part. You can just use it without any account. Let's go ahead and test it with a 4K video, see how it will work. You can see we have 4K 60 FPS and immediately it opens up the video. It's going very smoothly, it's not lagging, and a really good result. In this case, we know that the M18 smart box works perfectly. We don't have any trouble at all. All the videos, the apps works without any problem. We are back at the local memory and file manager. We downloaded some things or videos here in the box. So in this case, we test the memory of the storage of the box as well as the video. So let's go ahead, play it, see what we got, and everything should work perfectly from the file manager as well. And as you can see, immediately it works. It's lagging a little bit, as you can see. I'm not sure why it's lagging here in the beginning, but with YouTube it worked better. We saw that. So now we know that with downloaded videos it's not working so good. So guys, this was all for today's video and unboxing the M18 smart box. In case you have any question, suggestion, feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you need. I will read all your comments and see if I can help you. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart box.